What's your name?
Chuck Starks.
Fantastic. And why was Squeaks here today?
Squeaks was here to clean my gutters and to give me an estimate on the cleaning my windows.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And how was everything?
Everything was great from initial communication with your team to you guys showed up promptly and kept me updated throughout the process of cleaning the gutters. Took before pictures, took after pictures. Extra thorough. You guys were here over almost 4 hours, which previous companies we dealt with cleaning our gutters. We're in and out in less than an hour, so made sure all the downspouts were working correctly and water was flowing down the gutters and down the drains properly, so it doesn't cause a bigger problem later on of staining my stone and my bricks. So truly appreciate the workmanship and time you took to make sure it was a quality job done right. So I recommend your company to anyone, and I'm actually going to send out something to the HOA to give you guys a call if anyone else wants window cleaning or gutters cleaned. So we got a huge neighborhood, so appreciate good work. Good work's hard to find these days, so you guys exemplify that. So,
thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I want to hit on one thing that I want to be extremely transparent about. Obviously, we were more expensive than other companies you've worked with before. So obviously there was that big difference.
Mm-hmm.
How would you talk about that as far as that difference?
Well, good work's hard to find, so you get what you pay for. That's my motto. And if of course everyone wants great work done for a cheap price.
Sure.
But sometimes you may have to pay a little more to get quality work done. And, like I said, you guys were here over, 3.5 hours, and you thoroughly cleaned my gutters and got out all the shingle, dust, residue, whatever it's called, that had built up there over time and had frozen, and you actually thawed it out with hot water and cleaned it out very well. So I truly appreciate that. So cost-wise, I think it was reasonable for the job you did. So
beautiful.
I have no complaints there.
Love it. Then just one last question we always ask. Was everything process-wise and job-wise simple for you as a homeowner?
Yes, very simple. Communicated very well exactly what you're going to do and how, and everything went well process-wise. And like I said, I recommend you guys to anyone.
Fantastic. Thanks for being a part of the Squeaks movement, Chuck.
Yep. All right.
Fantastic.
Yep.